am going to talk about how I feel about American House and why it's a good idea. I feel great about American House. Miss Jenna and the seniors are very nice. I feel like the seniors are giving us a chance to express our niceness and kindness. By being there makes me feel like I'm making a difference because some of the seniors have not been visited by their relatives in 16 years, but we changed that for them. And being there makes me feel like I'm special, like I'm somebody, like I'm a nice person. And that really makes you feel good, believe me.
That's your baby.
It is a great idea to go to American House because you're making everyone happy. You're making us happy. You're making the seniors happy. You're making Miss Jenna happy.
And cry.
And that's a lot of people to me. I am so grateful and blessed for being in Miss Scarborough's class. Thank you for listening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Nigel Burst, and I'm in fourth grade, and I'm in the Scarborough class at Jefferson Elementary School. My American House experience. I enjoy going to the